Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video we will see what is operator precedence in JavaScript. So this is called operator precedence, and if you see here, basically I will show you in my VS Code like how we'll do it. So let's say I declare a variable called let bitcoins and I add 5 plus 5 to it. So I use the plus operator. So it takes this value and it takes this value and add to it, right? And it gives the answer 10 and store it inside this. Let's say I declare another variable let other coins and I add 6 and 1 to it, right? Then console.log this thing inside this, right? So the answer for this one is 10, the answer for this one is 7. If I console.log only if bitcoin is greater than other coins, in this case scenario it is, so it should result in true, right? Okay, so we'll go in the index.js file, click on inspect and you get this. So the answer is 10 for bitcoin, other coins is 7, and the answer we got otherwise is true, right, for the other step. So now how it actually worked. So let's say console.log. Now if I will do this one, so 10 minus 1 is greater than 2 minus 1. Is it true? So if you see 10 minus 1 is 9, is it greater than 2 minus 1 1? Yes, it is greater. But I want to know how this actually work. Why it didn't compare like 10 minus 1 and then it did greater, then did this. No, it didn't do like this, right? Like how did this operation work? Why didn't do this? Some like basically what happens, this is called operator precedence in JavaScript. So what it does, it always performs the operation which include the operators of higher precedence. So what do I mean by it? So if you see here in the table, you can see here, so this is a table which has a lot of operators. So you can see the higher the number of precedence, right, the higher precedence number is, that thing will get evaluated by JavaScript first. So JavaScript will go and run that bit of code before the numbers which are lower. So if you see plus is in 16th, right, here minus is in 16, so these things are higher. So always plus or minus values with plus and minus or operation with plus and minus, they will get evaluated first, then the value like divide, percentage, then and more of greater than or less than. So first always this thing will get evaluated by the machine JavaScript, then this thing will get evaluated. I hope it makes sense. So basically what happens here, JavaScript goes and run this bit of code because it has a minus operator. So the answer gets 9. Then it doesn't go and compare it. It goes and run this bit of code which is 2 minus 1 because it also has a minus operator, because this minus operator are higher than this operator in the list. So then it gets the answer of this, and then it goes and compare this operator. Then it gives us the answer true. I hope it made sense. That's all about today. You can obviously go and see all the different operators and how they work. But yeah, that's something I wanted to let you know. That's how JavaScript works behind the scenes. Thank you for watching my video. Subscribe to my channel, like my video, comment, and let me know if you get stuck anywhere. Thank you.